I have given an order yesterday to constitute an independent inquiry into the different charges of corruption and other irregularities that are there in MECL. This independent inquiry will be headed by a retired judge, and there will be two other members, one from the administration, who is a retired officer, and somebody from technical background. And the terms of reference will include different kind of tenders that have taken place from MECL, from central as well as state schemes. It will also look into different kind of manpower issues like appointments and other irregularities in the human resource angle. It will also look into the allegations of power theft that has been there. It will also look into the overall AT&C losses and why it's been there. And it will be given for the last 10 years, which is since the inception of MECL, which is when it was debundled and MECL was formed. So for the last 10 years, this will be looked into. And at the same time, we will give a specific time frame. So anything between 4 months to 6 months will be given to the committee. The exact terms will be worked out by the political department. I have just simply given the order that an inquiry should be constituted at the earliest, and this independent inquiry should be headed by a retired judge with 2 members in it. So the process has started, and hopefully within the next few days, this committee will be formed.